If you're tired of factor labeling, I have a solution for you. It's called Mr. Feeney's shortcut. Okay, so first off, we have to balance out our equation. We have 3 carbons here, 1 over here, so we have to add a 3 here. Now we have 3. We have 8 hydrogens here, and only 2 here, so we'll put a 4. So now we have 8 and 8. We have 2 oxygens here, and we have 6. We have 10 over here, so we'll put a 5. Now that our equation is balanced, we must find the molar mass for each element. So the molar mass of C3H8 is 44. The molar mass of O2 is 32. The molar mass of CO2 is 44. And the molar mass of H2O is 18. Now that you have your molar mass, you must go down into the mole world. So to go down into the mole world, you divide. And you're given for C3H8 is 20 grams. So you divide 20 grams by the molar mass, which is 44. So you do 20 divided by 44. You get 0.45, and you round to your third significant number, so rounds up to 4.5 moles of C3H8. Now that you're in the mole world, when you go side to side, you look at your coefficients, and since you're little here and you're trying to become bigger, you're going to do this times 5 over 1. So you do 0.455 times 5 over 1. That is 2.275 moles of O2. Now to find your grams of O2, you must go up and multiply. So you multiply this times the molar mass of O2, which is 32. So, and that gives you 72.8 grams. And now to find the moles of CO2, again you look at your coefficients, and since you were big here and now you're trying to become smaller, you're going to multiply times 3 over 5. So you do 2.275 times 3 over 5. That gives you 1.365 moles of CO2. And again, to go up into grams and out of the mole world, you must multiply the moles times the molar mass. So you do 1.365 times the molar mass of CO2, which is 44, and that gives you 60.06 grams. So now, to get from CO2 to H2O, you're going to look at your coefficients again, and since you're small and you're trying to get bigger, you're going to do times 4 over 3, and you get 1.365 times, you get 1.82 moles of H2O. and then to get out of the mole world, you have to multiply times the molar mass of H2O, which is 18. So you do 1.82 times 18, you get 32.76 grams of H2O. And now to make sure that your equation is right, both sides have to be the same, equal the same number. So you do 20 plus 72.8 equals 92.8, and then 60.06 plus 32.76 equals 92.8. So now you know that your equation is right, and that's the shortcut.